Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. It is Family Day here in Ontario, and I'm spending Family Day with my grandma learning how to make jam because I have never done it before. So here's Grandma. So we're making a spiced cranberry jam, great with turkey or tofurkey if you're like me. So here we go. What are we doing now, Graham?
Well, we have cooked the sauce, and we are keeping it at a maximum temperature because we don't want any little things that shouldn't be in jam to be in this jam. So we're boiling them out. We've taken the jars and we've boiled them, and now we're putting